Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clay and I do makeup here. If that's something that you're interested in, feel free to subscribe and turn on my bell post notifications. In this video, I'm going to show you how I came from looking like this unto looking like this. Make sure to stay tuned after the intro. So I'm going to do something simple today because I don't feel like doing like a full face of glam. And I'm going to show you my updated spring to summer makeup. So first things first I'm going to do is I'm going to prime. So I'm just going to take a small amount in my hand like this. Actually, that was a lot. And just rub that all over the face. And I'm going to take a small bit of color corrector and apply that over the red spots. The opposite of red is green. So color theory is pretty much, if you want to cancel out a color, then use the opposite color. Then I'm going to take the end of this brush and I'm going to just stamp that where it will blend out seamlessly. And to cover up my dark circles, I'm going to go in with this Pinky Peach and just apply that directly underneath the eyes. Then I'm going to take the same brush and blend out that color. I'm going to go in with a skin tint. This is by CoverGirl. And I'm just going to apply that directly in the hand and just apply that on the face and rub that in. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal underneath the eyes. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Clean because it's a medium coverage concealer. So a little bit of updates since I've last talked to y'all. So I have a lot of dental work coming up pretty soon, and that's going to cost me a lot of money. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that I could potentially get monetized, because it's going to cost me a lot of money with all of the work that I'm going to need done on my teeth. I'm going to need a root canal, several different cavity fill-ins, and also I'm going to need caps on my back teeth because my entire back teeth has collapsed. So my 30s have been fun so far. I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to start within the hollows of my cheeks and go upwards. I'm going to take the same brush and blend. Yeah, so I have a lot of dental work coming up and I've been experiencing a lot of tooth pain that leads up into the ear and also up into the eye. So it ain't gonna be until like April until my doctor is able to go ahead and perform the surgery. So then we're gonna end up like trying to figure out like some kind of payment plan or something like that, because I ain't got the best dental insurance through my work. I don't know if that contour is, I think that contour is a little too warm. So what I've been doing to combat the pain is I've been eating a lot of Tylenols. A lot. I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer and try to warm up, disguise this contour a little better. And also, I'm still in the middle of litigations, and my lawyer has told me to be on my best behavior online, which I have been. I've been laying low. I just can't wait until this whole thing is over, no matter if it falls into my favor or into the other party's favor, because I want to express a lot of my opinions, and I have a lot of opinions about a lot of things right now, but I'm on my best behavior. Those of you who know me from TikTok knows that I'm normally going wild most of the time when it comes to expressing my thoughts. So that will have to wait for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and do blush. I found this at TJ Maxx for cheap. It's the Milk Rouge or whatever it is. And I tried it out once when I got it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So I want to try it here. A little bit on the side of the nose. And I'm going to take this separate foundation brush and blend out this blush. Neck to, I think my foundation is a little too dark for me because of that contour. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of this setting powder and align the jaw and set underneath the eyes and the center of the forehead. I'm going to go ahead and take some highlighter, apply it with this eyeshadow brush, I like smaller brushes for my makeup. On the side of the nose, on the high points of the cheekbones, a little bit above the brow, a small amount on the cupid's bow. I'm going to go in with a neutral eye, so I'm going to go in with this little bit of a neutral beige. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this Wet n Wild highlighter brush because it's the perfect size for all over the lid eyeshadow. Blend, blend, blend. I'm adding a little bit of shimmer on the lid by using the same highlighter from earlier. Apply that directly with my finger in the inner corner and blend outwards. I'm going to take this brush and diffuse it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and now apply mascara. And the color of mascara that I am using is brown black because I am blonde. I like a warmer blackish not eyeshadow, but mascara on the lashes. And I only apply on the top lashes because when I blink, it already goes ahead and applies on the bottom lashes because my bottom lashes for some reason are extremely long. That one strand of hair is sticking out for some reason. There, I fixed it. I'm going to go ahead and apply some brow sculpting gel. And I'm going to use a technique that I saw off of TikTok. You go inwards to coat the biggest part of it, then you go outwards, then you sculpt downwards. Then you sculpt it into place where you want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and take some gloss by Hard Candy. Apply that on the center of the bottom lip and rub my lips together. I'm going to go ahead and take some setting spray and squirt that all over the face. And this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. And with that being said, I do thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love. And until next time, bye.